Problem 15. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 are equal? Okay. ఈ టూ సిరీస్ లో ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ ఈ టూ ఏపీస్ లో ఎక్కడ మీకు సేమ్ టర్మ్స్ వస్తాయి? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 63 హియర్ 3, 65 సెకండ్ టర్మ్ హియర్ 10, 67 థర్డ్ టర్మ్ హియర్ 17. ఒక చోట రెండు కూడా సేమ్ వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. ఎక్కడ? వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ? ఓకే, సో నౌ వి విల్ ఫైండ్ దట్ వన్. సో వాట్ ఫస్ట్ రైట్ ద సిరీస్ 63, 65, 67 so on. Second one 3, 10, 17 so on. Okay, so first one is say a1 equal to 63, a2 equals to 65, a3 equal to 67. Find the common difference. b equals to a2 minus a1, that is 65 minus 63, 2. Here also find the common difference. Let us say these terms b1 equals to 3, b2 equals to 10, b3 equals to 17 so on. Okay, here also common difference is b2 minus b1, b2 minus b1. So 10 minus 3, that is 7. Okay, here one condition is there. All the nth terms of two APs are equal. Okay, so for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs are equal. These two APs are equal nth terms. What is the nth term here? Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the value of a63 plus n minus 1, d is 2. This is an. Okay, here say bn. Nth term is say bn. Okay, what is the formula? b plus n minus 1 into d. Here b is nothing but b1 first term. 3 plus n minus 1, d value is 7. Okay, given nth terms are equal. Given nth terms are equal. So nth terms are equal means what? an equals to bn. Nth terms are equal means an equals to bn. What is the value of an? 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Okay, now 63 plus n times of 2 is 2n, minus 1 times of 2 is minus 2 equals to 3 plus n times of 7 is 7n minus 7. Okay, so 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n equals to 3 minus 7 is minus 4 plus 7n. Now కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అన్న వైపు n అన్న వైపు తీసుకెళ్ళండి. సో 7n here 7n is there. Okay, first 61 minus 4 transpose left side plus 4 equals to 7n. These 2n transpose left side, right side minus 2n. 61 plus 4 is 65 equals to 5n. So 65 5 transpose left side divided by 5 equals to n. 65 by 5 is 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So n equals to 15. Therefore 13th term ఇక్కడ 13th term second series లో 13th term same values వస్తాయి. Okay, therefore 13th term in the series are equal. Therefore the 13th term in the both APs are equal.